Hey, I'm here to look for tires for my airboat.
Tire! Tire! Tire!
That way? Okay. Um, I'm ready.
Hello. Welcome to my home.
I heard that there's tires here.
Oh yes, let me show you around first. So this is my wonderful, lovely place I call home. So first off, you might need to meet this man. This is my cat.
What's his name?
Nathan.
Help me.
This is his food.
Yeah. Radio. Is you sure this is the right place?
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, you. Hello.
I'm looking for some tires.
So, okay. So after you killed all my pets last time, I want to show you my new one. His name is Nathan. This is my cat.
Help me.
These are his. This is his food. he eats once a month.
Stop fucking laughing. I've been holding it in.
Daniel keeps laughing.
I
Oh yeah,
don't
I'm not laughing.
I'm not hearing him
I
laugh.
hear you. I can hear you laughing a little bit. It's just like
I don't hear him
I
laughing. Me. Is he sure he sent me to the right place?
Hi, son. Welcome to my lovely home. It brings you around these parts.
I need tires.
Okay, let me show you around first. I bought this cat from this guy who lived in the neighborhood. He's a little baby from a pound. Yeah, so it's very special. This is Nathan, my cat.
Help me.
His purrs are beautiful, ain't it? These are his meals. He eats once a year. He's very nourished. And this is the guy who came to start my center when I came. So let me show you my tires. How to make a ride selection. Very wide variety of tires.
Oh.
Help me.
I fed him a bit too much.